Many people in India wants to buy the iPhone XR because it is having a modern look, it is having a great battery life, and it is having a bigger form factor. And again, you are talking about an iPhone. So guys, everybody kind of is interested into the iPhone XR in India. But the biggest question that comes is in terms of the price tag. The iPhone XR in India is available for around 45,000 rupees to 50,000 rupees. On Amazon, you will find the iPhone XR for around 48,000, whereas a coral color iPhone XR is available for 46,000 rupees. But there is no iPhone XR below 40,000 or below 45,000. So guys, I started searching online for the best deal on iPhone XR, and not just a best deal in terms of the price tag, but also a authorized and a trusted seller. So guys, I searched on eBay, I found many deals, but most of them were scams. You can easily differentiate between a original or a good deal and a scam. So guys, there is no point to buy a iPhone from eBay because the shipping charges are just too much. Like even if you are getting an iPhone below 40,000 rupees, the shipping charges are like 5 to 6,000 rupees. So there is no point at all buying an iPhone from eBay. So I tried to go on different types of websites, and the best website that I found was SellBuddy. But the biggest concern that I was having is that, is this a trusted website? I personally never bought any product from this website. So guys, many people know about this website, but there are a few concerns that people have. As a normal consumer, I also had lot of concerns. So I thought it important to directly talk to SellBuddy. So I started contacting them and I started clearing my doubts, and now I can clearly say you what SellBuddy has to offer. Well guys, on their website, the iPhone XR is available for 37,900 rupees. So for the price tag of 38,000 rupees, you are getting the iPhone XR in 64 GB configuration, and the second configuration of 128 GB is available for 40,900 rupees. So guys, this is the lowest price tag that you can pay for this iPhone. Well guys, many people say that you can get an iPhone XR under 35 or even under 30,000 rupees. Well, that is possible, but it will take a lot of time to find a genuine deal. So guys, already the price tag of iPhones is too much, and hence if we are paying so much money for a smartphone or for a product, then we want the website or we want the facility to be authorized and to be caring. Well guys, we can easily trust Amazon or Flipkart, but it is very hard to trust on a different type of website. Well guys, we can blindfoldedly buy any product from Amazon, but we will not have that same exact trust on a website like SellBuddy. So I personally also didn't have this much trust. So I contacted them, and after clearing all my doubts, they said that if you want to buy a new smartphone, you can contact them on WhatsApp or you can call them. You can inquire with the stock availability, that is this particular color available with them. If you want to buy a used iPhone, then also you can contact them. So guys, overall the conclusion that I can tell you is that if you are planning to buy the iPhone XR, you can definitely trust SellBuddy. But before buying a smartphone from their website, make sure that you contact them. You give them a call and ask all of the queries that you have, and they will easily answer that to you. And guys, it is always good to pay less than what the market has to offer. On Amazon, the iPhone XR is available around 48,000 rupees, which is still a lot amount for a budget end or for this iPhone XR. But guys, on SellBuddy, you are getting it for 38,000 rupees. So I think this is a fair price to be paid, and I think this is the best deal that you can find out there. So guys, in my today's video, I wanted to say that you can trust on SellBuddy. Again, this video is not at all sponsored by SellBuddy, and this is not a paid promotion, but this is the best deal out there. Again, you will find iPhones for less than 30,000, but I just want to say that if you want to just order the smartphone and let it come to your house, then SellBuddy is a website to go for. So guys, I hope that you have liked this video, and guys, we have to complete 10,000 subscribers subscribers as soon as possible, and it can only happen with your support. So guys, make sure that you subscribe to our channel, and I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.